Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my January Boxycharm box. I've been subscribed to Boxycharm for quite some time now. I think it's been over a year and a half, I think. And for the most part, I really like their products. And I've never really done a review. So I wanted to go ahead and do a review on this month's box and just see if it's worth the money. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I think about these products, then just keep on watching. So the first thing in here, guys, is the Tatcha, what is this called? This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask, and it comes with two. I'm going to keep one of these, and I'm just going to give the other one to my sister because I do have a couple Tatcha products already. So I'm going to give one to her so she can try it out. So it basically says that this mask just hydrates your skin, makes it look glowy, and it gives you like a dewy finish. So this will work wonders for people that have dry skin. If you have oily skin, try it out. It might work for you. I mean, in the wintertime, I do like to go in with a lot of moisturizing products. So I'm going to give this a go right now. So it says here that you're supposed to apply the mask and leave it for 15 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. All right. So I do suggest to have a clean face and then apply this. Just apply this on your skin and then leave it for 15 minutes. So I'm going to do that. It has these little holes. Oh my god, if you guys haven't seen my sister tag that I posted 2 days ago, go check it out and you're gonna know why I'm laughing about this. Do you know why I'm laughing? Baloney face. So I'm gonna apply it to my face like this. And it has like a cold sensation. So I'm gonna leave this in for 15 minutes and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so the 15 minutes are up. So I'm gonna take that off. And my face feels like refreshed. It feels it just feels really like cool and hydrated, which I really like. So it's awesome that they put this in the Boxycharm and they give you 2 packs. So I think that was probably one of the things that really caught my attention and that really made me happy that I have the Boxycharm subscription, just because this is considered like a really high-end product and it works really well. So cool. Let's go on to the next product. Next in the box, they actually gave me a brow pencil, and this is the Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. So it says that the formula is specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This is self-sharpening and it glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling on your skin. That's like a major issue with most pencils. So we're going to see if this works. The spoolie really brushes the hairs nicely, so I already like that. And there's just some spoolies that are attached to the brow pencil like this that I'm not a fan of, so that alone is really nice. Oh hell no, guys, look at this. Oh hell no. So that's a no for me. I hope it just happened with mine and it didn't happen with everybody's. Yeah guys, this is not like, this is, I just took it out. Like, I didn't mess around with it or anything. Well, that kind of sucks. Okay guys, so I guess it's a no for me with the brows. I guess it's not going to work anymore. Let me just see if this, yeah. It just kind of messed up, so. To the next product. So that means I'm just gonna go ahead and not do my brows on camera since I don't have the brow product. I'm just going to do my brows and my base, and then I will be right back. All right guys, so I already did my foundation and all that stuff. I bronzed and I did my brows. So we're just gonna get into the eyeshadow palette. Hopefully this is not a fail like the brow pencil. So this is I had it backwards, man. Let me just open it up. So it looks like this. It looks pretty much just like the other ones that Tarte has come up with. And this is a pretty neutral palette. It only has one matte shade, which is this one, and then the rest are shimmer shades. So I'm not really gonna do an intense look with this just because you can't really do an intense look with this. So let's just test out the matte shade. So the matte shade pretty much looks like my skin color. You can't really see anything, but it's blending out nicely. This would be like a really good transition color. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and that's in the shade Jewel. Just gonna apply that all over my lid using my fingers. And then I'm gonna go ahead with the matte shade and just blend that shimmer shade out. I'm gonna go in with the shade Malibu, and it's that shade right there. Alright guys, so I guess that's as much payoff as I'm gonna get with these eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna stop here. Color wise, like, it's really pretty, but I just feel like if there was another matte shade that was a little bit darker, just to kind of give depth to my eyes and just make it look like it has a little bit more dimension, I would be like a huge fan of this. But I mean, I guess it's really pretty. It has a, I just don't understand why they just put one matte shade, you know, like, and I feel like they should have put a matte shade like this, and then maybe like another matte shade that was a little bit darker, just to kind of make more looks with it. So the only other two products are a leave-in conditioner and a lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply my mascara, and then we'll do highlight and then the rest of the stuff. All right guys, so as I was putting on my mascara and my wing liner, I was taking a look at it a little bit more, and it kind of grew on me. This palette, it is subtle. For the makeup that I do, I'm more bold with my looks. So personally, when I saw this, it just kind of looked boring. But as I look at it, it is really, really pretty. The shimmers work really, really nice. And I mean, the only thing that I would suggest was if there was a little bit more transition colors in it. Overall, it's a good palette. It's just a little too subtle for me. So what I do want to try is just to see if any of these shades would work really nicely on my face as a highlight. So I'm going to take my highlight brush, and I'm going to dip into this shade right here, and this is in the shade Escape, and this just looks like a really nice highlight for my skin tone. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that here, and yeah, see, this is a win for me. So yeah, these are really nice. This is a really nice highlight shade. I really like that. I'm going to go ahead with that same shade and just highlight the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm going to highlight the brow bone area. Now I'm going to go in with the Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Miami Fever by Ofra Cosmetics. And I'm just going to apply that on my lips. Alright guys, so my first initial reaction with this liquid lipstick is that it's moussey. It feels comfortable. It doesn't feel tight, which I like. And the color is really, really pretty. So I like this one. Lastly, we have the Rio Gio Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And this is basically supposed to help repair your hair, make it softer, make it more manageable. It also protects your hair from heat, which I like. And it's overall just gonna do good things for your hair. So I'm gonna give this a go, and I will update you guys on Instagram to see if I really like this. So it does say you should apply this on clean, damp hair. My hair is pretty dry. It is damp in the root area, but just for the hell of it, I'm going to apply it just to see if it smells good, because I mean, everybody wants a product that smells good. So oh my god, it smells citrusy, guys. Oh, it smells really good, guys. Kind of just want to put it all over my hair again. It smells really, really good. Oh, just by the smell of this, I would purchase it. Just for the smell. This is pretty. Look. Right? It's nice. My sister said it's nice. Give my final thoughts. I have a couple products that I really, really liked. I have a product that was like, and then another one that was like, no, I don't want to even look at this ever again because it was so bad. So the products that I really, really liked were the Tatcha mask, the Ofra liquid lipstick, and the conditioning spray. Now, I can't really give a lot of input on this just because I would have to test it out, you know, for like a good 2 weeks just to see how it works on my hair, to see if it actually does make it softer, if it makes it less frizzy. I don't really have a lot of frizz because I did do a hair treatment, but you know, you can always see a difference. However, these two things, I could definitely say that it's worth the Boxycharm. If only these two things were in there, I would get that, because these combined are already worth so much more than $21 that you would pay for in a Boxycharm box. What I wouldn't want and what I would never purchase would be this brow pencil, just because when I opened it, let me show you guys, it looked like this. Would this be something that you guys would want to purchase? Yeah, this is a no-go for me. And when I opened it, it said it was supposed to glide on your brows, but it felt very waxy. So I'm not a fan of like waxy pencils, you know, if you guys get what I mean. So I would not. I did like the spoolie, however, so I probably will try to get use out of this. It really brushed my hairs really nicely, so I like the spoolie. I hated the actual brow product. And for the palette, it was kind of like a you know, it was cute. I like it as a highlight, but I don't really love it as eyeshadow. It just didn't like wow me, you know. I've gotten other Boxycharm products that are for like eyeshadow related that have actually wowed me, and I love it, and the color combo is amazing. There's transition colors, matte shades, shimmer shades, metallic shades, and this one just didn't really do it for me, you know. So I mean, it's cute, I'll probably use it from time to time, but it's not like a favorite, you know. So yeah, that's that. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. What should they comment down below, Adi? Comment down below if you guys are willing to give Boxycharm a shot, or if you already are subscribed to Boxycharm. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.